Your body is not just biological, it's electrical. Every thought you think, every step you take, every heartbeat you feel is powered by tiny pulses of electricity moving through you at incredible speed. The human nervous system functions like a living power grid. The brain acts as the control center, the spinal cord is the main transmission line, and nerves carry electrical signals to every part of the body. Each nerve cell maintains a tiny electrical charge. When triggered, ion channels open, and that charge rapidly reverses, creating an electrical wave called an action potential. These signals can travel faster than 100 meters per second, allowing your body to react almost instantly. But neurons don't actually touch at the synapse, crossing the gap using neurotransmitters before turning electrical again. This precise handoff keeps communication fast, controlled, and accurate. Your heart runs on electricity, too. Specialized cells generate rhythmic electrical impulses that coordinate every heartbeat, keeping blood moving without conscious effort. When electrical signals reach muscles, they trigger contraction. This process transforms electrical energy into physical movement, from blinking an eye to running at full speed. All of this electrical activity is powered by chemistry. The energy from food is converted into molecular fuel, which maintains the electrical balance that keeps your body running. Every second, billions of electrical signals power your body, silently, continuously, and flawlessly. You are electricity in motion.